We're gonna act like we're walking in. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Let me raise it up like this. Y'all can see it, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. We're at the Sussex County Sunflower Field for like the 4th year in a row with some models. Come on. Okay, we gotta start all over. You guys are walking too slow. You guys are scared, like I don't know what to do.
I wasn't sure. I was
Okay.
walking at your speed.
So-
Yes,
Okay.
that's what I was doing
Should
too.
we, like-
I was
okay.
walking the way
All
you
right,
were walking.
it's recording, right?
Okay, cool. Okay.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, this is Chukunon So Captures. This is Chukunon So Captures at the Sussex County Sunflower Field. Say hello.
Hello.
All right. This is a little bit
That's
better
not
than
good.
the
I
front.
still got in my
Miss
hand.
Model Captain.
Oh yeah.
Side lip.
Yeah, I got you, girl. You gonna see it. I don't gotta say it.
Hello.
We're here at the Sussex County Sunflower Field. I think this is like the 4th year in a row. Got some beautiful models behind us. Say what's up.
Hi.
All right. So we're just walking in. I'm gonna get a quick shot of this and then,
Such a beautiful day to be a black woman.
yeah.
I like that.
Oh my god, I have to. Ooh, I want to take a video real quick.
I've always wanted to go to the park.